trust me, if there are two people, one is a guy who really has a clear and clean enough purpose, and he's going steady at it, and if he does not really know how to frame arguments really well, versus a guy who does not have any sort of backing from the kind of literature, the kind of insight of the problems, and the kind of vigor to solve those problems. तो ये दोनों में से वो कछुआ खरगोश वाली बात है. ये खरगोश हारेगा ही हारेगा, शुरू में आगे जाएगा,
but eventually हार जाएगा.
Yeah, so that's my advice to everybody, that you know what, just because you want to look good or feel good, you're not actually good. The real good is, and the goodness is within the purpose of why you want to do anything. And this is where, Islam takes such high precedence. Religion is not just anything, popular commodity or specifically public speaking की एक खास channel नहीं है.